Hey everyone, as many of you know, I've been working for Riot for a really long time. It's almost been 6.5 years since I first started. When I joined them back in the day, I actually joined to work on Valorant. The team was really small by the time I joined. I think it was like we were 10 or 12 people. And it's been such an amazing journey seeing the project grow, and also how I grown as a person and an artist. Because when I first joined, my role was a concept artist, but over time I switched over to illustration and became a senior illustrator. I did a lot of illustrations for Valorant, but also I spent some time doing illustration for League of Legends. And I feel like I've been extremely lucky in the coworkers I've had. I've been working with such amazing people and I've learned so much from them. It always inspired me to do better and grow more and just create cooler content. And I just feel so lucky to have had that experience. But I've been living away from home for a really long time and I really started to miss it. And I felt like it was time to move back to Stockholm, Sweden. So what's next in store? I'm actually opening up my own outsource studio called ENVAR, which will be located in Stockholm, and I'm super excited about it. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of an outsource studio, it pretty much consists of a bunch of artists working together on a variety of projects for a variety of clients. It's actually been in the back of my mind for quite some time, but I never felt I was quite ready until now. I'm super excited about all the amazing people I'm going to encounter through the studio and potential projects and clients we're going to work with, and all the cool artists we're also going to be in touch with. ENVAR itself, we're going to be based in Stockholm, Sweden. We'll keep working remotely until it's safe to be in an office environment again. I still don't know exactly how it is in Sweden because my sister tells me one thing and my mom tells me the opposite thing. So I guess when we move back, we'll find out for ourselves. The focus of the studio will primarily be on concept art, illustration, visual development, and art direction in the start. But over time, I hope to branch out into more things. I'd love for you to join us on this journey, as this is a brand new chapter in my journey as an artist, and I'd love to share more about it as we keep growing. I hope to upload more videos on YouTube related to the studio itself, but feel free to check out the website below, and thank you so much for checking out this video and all the support you've given me over the several years. So thanks again and have a wonderful day, and I'll keep you updated. I'm pretty excited for where this is gonna go.